Alright, so thank you for watching this video. This is for number 34, equivalent proportional relationship. So I just set them up as a ratio. So 3 over 4 equals 12 over 16. If it's true, then it's equivalent. If not, it's not. So easy way to do is just cross products. So if I do 16 times 3, so multiply those, I get 48. If I multiply this diagonal, 12 times 4, that's 48. Those are equivalent. So, equivalent. Most kids just guess on these. Then they won't know how to do it on a test. So, 3 over 4 is equivalent to 6 over blank. So, if we do our cross products, 3 times x is 3x. 6 times 4 is 24. Then we need to divide both sides by 3. That's why it's important to know how to solve equations. 24 divided by 3 is 8. All right, 4 over blank is equivalent to 12 over 15. So we go 12x equals 1530, 60. Then we divide both sides by 12, and we get 5. Again, there's other ways to do it. I just like to do cross products. So 1/2, does that equal 3/6? So again, if we do our cross products, that's 6, 6, so yes. Fruit farms ratio apple trees to orange trees. So apple, orange. What is the number of orange trees if there are 3 apple trees? So we're going to get x equals 3 times 3 is 9. So being 9 orange trees. All right, the table shows the number of ice creams and hot chocolates sold in a store. The ratio of the number of ice creams sold to the number of hot chocolates sold is the same the whole day. What is the value of B? So on this one, it's 4 ice cream for 1 hot chocolate. So the B part is the 20 over B. So if we do our cross products, we get 4B equals 20. Then divide by 4, and the B equals 5. All right, clothing store sells blue and pink hats. The ratio of blue is 12 to pink, which is 4. So that's blue, and that's pink. So if 6 hats are blue, how many are pink? So we get 12x equals 6 times 4 is 24. So then if we divide both sides by 12, we get 2. Find the value of A. So 4 is to 5 as A is to 15. So we get 5A equals 15 times 4 is 60. Then we divide by 5. So I think that's 12. Okay. The table shows values of x and y. Determine the relationship between x and y is proportional. All right. So there's a few ways to do this one. I'm going to just do cross products. So 2 is to 3.5 as 3 is to 4.5. I don't think this is going to work. But 4.5 times 2 is 9. And then 3.5 times 3, that's bigger. 3.5 times 3, that's 10.5. So that is not proportional. We'll talk about constant proportionality and stuff. Also means it's not linear. Alright, the table shows different relationship between taking a taxi for a different number of kilometers and the price of the ride. Determine if the relationship is proportional. So if we do 1 is to 4, is that the same as 2 is to 6? Well, that's going to be 8. That's going to be 6. So the answer is no. Oops, not proportional. You can also do 4 over 1, 6 over 2, 8 over 3. We'll do that in the next chapter. All right. Thank you for watching.